everyone, this is my homework. My homework is a kiss. Colors by the new car is very expensive car. It's a huge, blue and fast car. While driving down the street, Color see the girl on the bicycle. She has long hair and is beautiful. She asks her, "What's up?" She ignores him. He yells, "How's it going?" She keeps going and ignores him. He yells, "Hey, why won't you talk to me? I want to go to dinner with you and take you to an expensive restaurant." The girl turns, gets off the bike and looks at him. She says, "I don't want to go to dinner, but if you give me your car, I will give you a surprise." Color says, "Okay." She jumps out of the car and he gives her the keys and says, "Here are the keys." The beautiful blonde takes the keys and then kisses Color on the cheek. Then she jumps into the car and drives away. Color stands on the sidewalk. Now he has no car and no girl. He says, "That's it?" The kiss on the cheek. He gets on the bike and rides home. Thanks for listening. Bye bye.